Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Meifuly 13-in-1 wood therapy massage tools with a luxurious storage shelf. A complete Maderotherapia wooden massager kit designed for body shaping, lymphatic drainage, muscle pain relief, and anti-cellulite treatment. This perfect wood therapy massage kit includes a convenient storage rack to keep your tools organized and elegantly displayed, featuring 13 ergonomic pieces such as a pullback roller, cube cellulite roller, sculpted discs roller, and more, making it the ideal gift for family and friends seeking self-care. Wood therapy is a highly effective method for contouring the body without harming the skin or tissue, helping to diminish cellulite, tone the body, activate the lymphatic system, and smooth out unwanted fat and uneven skin. Each tool is crafted from high-quality beech wood, ensuring durability and comfort with smooth surfaces and edges, providing a spa-level experience at home. Whether you're looking to relieve muscle soreness, eliminate fatigue, or simply relax and reduce stress, this kit offers a natural and holistic approach to rejuvenating your body. Remember, patience and persistence with these tools can gradually lead to great results, especially when used with massage oil.